Welcome to UJI, the literal land of matcha. Today I'm diving headfirst into a full-blown matcha overload. We're talking the best matcha lattes, matcha ice cream, even matcha noodles, and soaking in some of the most breathtaking sights Japan has to offer. Let's go! Good morning! Today we decided to take a day trip out to Kyoto, but specifically UJI, because if you've seen some stuff on my channel, especially my shorts, I'm in my matcha era. So obviously since I'm here, we thought it was super appropriate that we had to go there. So we're going there right now, and hopefully we get to do like the matcha grinding workshop and everything. We just want to go and try like a bunch of matcha in like their cafes and stuff and just look around the place, because I've never actually been to UJI itself, only Kyoto, like the, other parts. So we're gonna do that right now, and yay! How do you feel, Mr. T, this morning?
Happy.
Yay! We have reached UJI. It was an hour and a half train ride. It was so pretty. The vibes are very different from the city. We're very excited to be here for the day. And now we're gonna walk over to the matcha place, and hopefully there's space for us to do the matcha making workshop. Fingers crossed. Yay, we got a slot. Lucky us. We're gonna come back later in a few hours, and we're just gonna walk around first. And we're walking around, and there's so many matcha related things, obviously, but like it's actually so fun for me. We are at the UJI Bridge. The view is so nice with the river behind and all these houses. I'm actually so happy that we're here because it's such an impromptu decision. We decided last night to come here because why the heck not? We're gonna hopefully get some matcha lattes, right? Yes. Yes. We got our first matcha. Oh my gosh, look at that freaking shade of green. It looks so good. Mr. T's gonna try the ice cream first.
Taste matcha-y.
I knew he was gonna say that. Matcha taste test. This gets a 9.8 out of 10 for me. So good. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get a matcha high today. Matcha milk. Yay!
Yay!
Got the cup! Yeah! A matcha cup. And this. But the cup looks so nice. And then our highly anticipated matcha workshop finally began. We got to use the grinder to grind out our own matcha, and it was something I always wanted to try for really long. It was so satisfying to see the tea leaves slowly grind out and turn into matcha powder. And we got to learn all of the correct ways to enjoy matcha, like what temperature water to use, how many times to spin the cup before you have to bow and drink the matcha. I really felt like this was an experience that made the whole day feel so authentic, and something you should definitely try if you ever head to UJI. Just did our matcha making workshop. It was so fun. We got our own certificates. Matcha was so high quality. It was so nice. I'm so happy we did that. Oh my gosh, it's a very memorable experience. And they actually don't promote this workshop. We just happened to come across it online because it's just us. Like for the workshop, but outside in the store it's full. Kaka. Everywhere is so pretty here. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy we came. What? Mr. T says even the river water looks like green tea. Do you all agree? Comment yes if you do. We are at lunch, and of course, since we're here at the Matcha Town, we had to try matcha soba noodles, and it's so cool. It's like actual green, and they even sprinkled matcha powder on top. So very excited to try. It's actually matcha-y, a little bit faint matcha-y. This place looks so traditional and cool. Look. We are at the Baydo Temple right now. It looks really, really nice. But I don't have facts to give you yet because we're going to go into the museum later. So fun facts to come. So I found out I pronounced it wrongly just now. It's byodoin, something like that. I'm trying my best. But this is the front of the most like main part of the temple. This is the Phoenix Hall. And it looks really, really nice. And we found out that this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1994 because it shows ancient Kyoto really well. And it's very nice. So yeah, that's the fun facts I have for now. We have stopped for my other lunch and we have Matcha Kyoza, Matcha Takoyaki, Matcha shaved ice, everything matcha. Am I ready? I am. I'm hungry. Ding. I'm loving this matcha day. We are walking along the Uji River and there's so many bridges and the water looks so nice and we're walking towards the Uji Shrine right now. We have to cross that bridge. And there's like the mountains and everything. Today is definitely a highlight of the trip. I highly recommend you come. Matcha count for the day. Infinity. Cheers. Ding. Ding. We are hiking up yet another hilltop because we want to get to the observation deck on top, which oversees the whole Uji/Kyoto. Mr. T is tired.
No.
Oh, he's not. He was not panting a second ago. Definitely not. Hikety hike adventures. We will meet you at the top. Look how vast these trees are. And random man. Yay, update! We reached the top finally. Actually, it was a really, really peaceful walkout because there's barely anybody. But look at this incredible view. Come. Look at this view, Mr. T. Pan now, pan. You can see the whole of Kyoto. I think. I mean, probably. But yeah, very worth it. Do this trail if you're ever here. One more matcha to end the day. Pink. Also, just now I asked Mr. T to take a picture for me with my matcha. I just wanted a simple picture of the matcha, you know, that's what a girl just got once. And he couldn't take it. So I put him in the performance improvement program of photography for me.